Cambridge Internationalist Level Sociology, the family.
How do functionalist accounts of how the family claim that it benefits its members and society, and how have the functions of family have changed over time, including the loss of functions debate? Functionalism in sociology posits that society is comprised of various interconnected parts, each serving a specific function to maintain social order and stability. When it comes to the family, functionalist perspectives emphasize its role in providing essential functions for both its individual members and society as a whole. Benefits to members. Functionalists argue that the family serves as a primary institution for socializing individuals, transmitting societal norms, values, and culture from one generation to the next. Through processes like socialization, children learn the roles they are expected to fulfill in society. Additionally, the family provides emotional support and nurturance, which are crucial for the psychological well-being of its members. Family relationships offer a sense of belonging, identity, and security. From an economic standpoint, the family often serves as the primary unit for the distribution of resources, such as financial support, housing, and inheritance. This economic function contributes to the stability of society by ensuring the basic needs of its members are met. Benefits to society. Functionalists argue that the family contributes to the stability and continuity of society by producing and socializing the next generation of citizens. Families provide the necessary conditions for the reproduction of society, ensuring its survival over time. Moreover, families contribute to the division of labor within society. By assigning different roles to family members based on gender, age, and ability, families contribute to the smooth functioning of society by ensuring that necessary tasks are completed. However, the functions of the family have evolved over time due to various social, economic, and cultural changes. Industrialization and urbanization. With the rise of industrialization and urbanization, families shifted from agrarian-based economies to wage labor in factories. This led to changes in family structure and function, as families no longer solely relied on agricultural production for sustenance. Instead, they became more dependent on wages earned through employment outside the home. Changing gender roles. The feminist movement and changing attitudes towards gender roles have also influenced the functions of the family. Traditional gender roles, where men were primarily responsible for breadwinning and women for homemaking, have been challenged. This has led to more egalitarian relationships within families and a redefinition of familial responsibilities. Decline in extended families. Industrialization and urbanization also contributed to the decline of extended families living together. As families became more mobile and nuclear families became the norm, the functions traditionally fulfilled by extended family members, such as childcare and elder care, shifted or diminished. Welfare state and social services. The expansion of the welfare state and the provision of social services have also altered the functions of the family. Governments now provide support in areas such as healthcare, education, and child care, reducing the reliance on families to fulfill these functions entirely on their own. The loss of functions debate refers to the argument that the family has gradually lost some of its traditional functions due to societal changes. Critics argue that the family is no longer the sole provider of functions such as education, healthcare, and welfare, as these responsibilities have been increasingly assumed by other institutions, such as schools, hospitals, and the state. However, functionalists might counter this by suggesting that while the family's functions have evolved, it still plays a crucial role in socializing individuals and providing emotional support, which are essential for the stability and well-being of both its members and society.